As most of you know, I have been redoing my laundry room the last couple of weeks, and I'm down to the final touches. So let's make a rug. The things you're going to need for this project are 4 of the rag rugs from the Dollar Tree, a glue gun, and some heavy-duty glue sticks. That's it. This project only cost me $4 to do. Now, if you wanted to, you could also add the slip-resistant backing that you can get at the Dollar Tree to the back of these 4 rugs. You would need probably 3 to 4 to cover the entire thing, but I chose not to because the rug was going down on hardwood. First thing you're going to do is take off all of the tags from the rugs. Be sure that you lay the rugs with the back side or tag side up. Next, you're going to lay the rugs out how you want to glue them together. I'm gluing mine together long ways to make a long rug. Take your glue gun and run a line of glue along the outside edge of one of the rugs and push the other rug edge together without overlapping. Now you'll want to try to keep the glue as close to the outside edge as possible, not on top. That way you can push the 2 edges together and not overlap. You will also do this for the other 2 rugs on the other side. Just as a footnote, kind of keep an eye on your bottom edges. Make sure that they are coming out even. These are rag rugs, and so they're kind of stretchy, so you can kind of manipulate the rug a little bit. If you see that one end is going to end longer than the other, you can kind of bunch it up or stretch it, whichever is easiest. Now, because these are fringed on the ends, normally you would butt the middle ends up and hot glue them the same way. But I did not want to cut the fringes off because I was afraid the rug would fray apart. So what I'm doing is running a line of glue along the stitched edge of one of the rugs and laying the other over on top of it, overlapping it just enough where the fringe is. Because this is going in my laundry room, I didn't mind that it was overlapping and having a hump. If you don't want that, you would want to cut that off, and that way you could butt the ends up together. And here it is in my laundry room. It fits perfect. I don't mind the seam down the center. It's a rag rug. We're going for a farmhouse theme, so it fits. Be sure that you check out my upcoming video on my laundry room makeover reveal. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss that video. Thanks for stopping by.